Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I have chapter geometric measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is find the area of figures made of unit squares. The shape is made of what is the area? You need to calculate the area of the shape, right? You need to count the unit squares in the shape. So the shape is made up of how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the, the shape is made of 17 unit squares. The correct option is 7. There are 17 in number. Area is 17 square units. The correct option is 17. Okay, let's just start with the test question. What shape is made? The shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? So let's just count the unit squares, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the area is 20. You just have to count the squares, so the area is 20. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. The shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The correct option is The correct option is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. The shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? So, which is the correct option? That is very good. 8 it is. The correct option is 8. 9 it is. The correct option is 9. Very good. The shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area which is 20 it is. The correct option is very good. 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. That equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. The shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? 17 it is. The correct option is 17. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on next lesson. The next lesson is find the area of rectangles and squares. What is the area of the rectangle? First thing, we all know what is the rectangle. Rectangle is the shape that has the opposite sides equal in measurement. Like this side, and opposite to this side is this one, right? If this is 3 units, this is also 3 units, right? This is 5 units, the opposite side is this one, and this is also 5 units. Got it? So we are given the length and the width. Width is 5 units and length is 3 units. We need to calculate the area of the rectangle width. So you have to do 5 times 3 equals 15. The correct option is length time width 5 times 3 equals 15. So the area of the rectangle is 15 square units. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the rectangle? So the area of the rectangle is length time width. Got it? So you have to do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 makes 15 it is. The correct option is 15. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it, everyone? What is the area of rectangle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the length is 3 and the width is 5 again, right? So 5 times 3 makes 15 it is. The correct option 15. What is the area of rectangle? So which is the correct option? So the area of the rectangle is length time width. Yes, that is 15 again, right? 3 times 5 makes 15. What is the area of rectangle, which is the correct option? That is 2 times 5. The correct option is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the rectangle, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? That is 4 times 5 equals 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sorry. What is the area of the rectangle? That is 2 times 5 equals 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of rectangle? That is 2 times 4, 8 it is. Very good. Read the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the area of the side length of a rectangle. Missing side length of the rectangle. The width of the rectangle is 4 units, 20 square units. What is the length of the rectangle? Okay, now we are given the width that is 4 units, the area that is 20 square units. We know that the area is length time width. We are given the area that is 20 and the width is 4. So we have to divide both sides by 4 because we are going to calculate the length and we need to cancel out 4 from this side. 4 and 4 cancel out because 4 times 1 is 4. And now you need to count a table of 4 until 20. So 4 times what number is 20? That is 4 times 5 is 20. That means the length is 5, right? Or you number times 4 equals 20 because you are given the width is, you are given the area is 20. So what number times 4 is 20 because length time width is 20. You can find the number 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 it is. Let's just start with the test questions. The length of the rectangle is 4 units. The area is 12. So we know that area equals length time width. You are given the area is 12, the length is 4. So you need to find a number. 4 times what number is 12? 4 times 3 is 12, isn't it? 4 times 4, no, 4 times 3. So that means the width is 3. The correct option is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. The width is 3 units. The length of a rectangle is 2 units. The area is 10 square units. What is the width of the rectangle? So you are given the length, that is 2, width we have to find, and the area is 10. So 2 times what number is 10? 2 times what number is 10? Very good. 2 times 5 is 10. So that means the width is 5 units. The correct option is 5. The width is 5. The correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. The length of a rectangle is 4 units. The area is 20 square units. What is the length of the rectangle? 4 times what number is 20? Very good. That is 4 times 5 is 20. So the length is also 20. The length is 5. Got it? The correct option is option number 2. Okay, you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the area. Find the area of the shaded region. So we are given two of the square inner one, right? Right? You need to find the area of the shaded region. So you can think of a wall and a window, right? So you need to calculate the area of the wall only. How do you calculate? Let's just calculate the area of the bigger square and smaller square. We know that the area is length time width. For the outer one, that is 9 times 9, that is 81 inches square. So this is the whole square, like the outer one. Calculate the area of the inner one, that is 3 times 3 is 9. You need to find the area of the shaded region only. So you need to subtract the area of the outer one minus the area of the inner one, right? This is the area of just the shaded region. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. You need to calculate the area of the wall only. Window is not included, right? Calculate the area of wall and then area of window, then subtract them. You can have the area of the wall only. Got it? What is the area of this, of the shaded region? So let's just calculate the area of the outer square and inner square. For the outer one, it would be 5 times 5, that equals 25. And for the outer one, that is 2 times 2, that makes 4. Subtract the area of the colored portion out of the white one. So that would be the area is 21 square inches. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded? So calculate the area of the outer one. That is 7 minus 5 equals 35. Now calculate the area of the inner one. That is 2 times 5 equals 10. So the difference between the area of the outer square and smaller square equals 35 minus 10 is 25. It is option number 2 is the correct option. So calculate the area of the outer one. That would be 8 times 5, right? That is 40. The area of the inner one times 6. that is 18. So the difference between their areas is 40 minus 18 equals 22 it is. The correct option is 22. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of shaded region? That is 9 times 9 equals 18. And 3 times 3 that is 9. Eighty-one take away 9 is 72 it is. The correct option is 72. What is the area of the shaded region? Calculate the area of the bigger rectangle, that is 6 times 5 is 30. And now calculate the area of the smaller rectangle. 2 times 3 is 6. Just subtract the area of the bigger one out of the smaller one. So 30 minus 6 is, yes, 24 it is. The correct option is 24. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math chapter. We were working on is geometry. The lessons we have covered today are: find the area of unit squares, find the area of rectangles and squares, find the missing, and find the area between two rectangles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Either you can write them down in the chat box, answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions?